Welcome to Ultimate 4 Days Travel Guide for Goa, India. In this video, we will show you how to make the most of your time in Goa and explore its diverse attractions. Let's get started. Day 1. On your first day in Goa, you will start by visiting the capital city of Panaji, also known as Panjim. Panaji is a charming city that blends Portuguese and Indian influences in its architecture, food, and lifestyle. You can stroll along the Mandovi River, admire the colorful houses and churches in the Fountain House quarter, visit the Miramar beach, and enjoy some local delicacies at the Panaji market. Visit Immaculate Conception Church, with a grand facade sits atop a small hill. Then head to Deltin Royale, a lively offshore casino, offering numerous games, live entertainment, and dining. Next, head to Old Goa, which was once the seat of the Portuguese Empire in Asia. Old Goa is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that boasts some of the most impressive churches and convents in India. You can visit the Basilica of Bom Jesus, which holds the mortal remains of Saint Francis Xavier, the patron saint of Goa. You can also see the Sei Cathedral, the largest church in Asia, and the Church of Saint Francis of Assisi, which houses a museum of sacred art. Then visit millstones of Gunpowder Factory, salvaged 16th century millstones, imported from Europe, and displayed on the grounds of a local church. And end your day at the Carambolim Lake Migratory Bird Sanctuary, a place to relax, walk, jog and enjoy the scenery and wildlife. Or take the 748 road and head to Sri Shantadurga Mandir, an impressive building and idol of goddess Sri Durga. After exploring Old Goa, you can return to Panaji and enjoy the nightlife at one of the many bars, pubs, and casinos that line the riverfront. Day 2. On your second day in Goa, you will explore some of the most popular beaches in North Goa. You can start by visiting Baga Beach, which is one of the most lively and crowded beaches in Goa. Baga Beach offers a variety of water sports activities, such as parasailing, jet skiing, banana boat rides, and more. You can also enjoy some delicious seafood at one of the many hacks and restaurants along the beach. Next, head to Calangute Beach, which is another popular beach that attracts tourists and locals alike. Calangute Beach is known for its golden sand, clear water, and palm trees. You can relax on a sunbed, swim in the sea, or shop for souvenirs at the nearby market. After Calangute Beach, you can visit Candolim Beach, which is a quieter and more serene beach that is ideal for relaxation. Candolim Beach is also home to Fort Aguada, a 17th century Portuguese fort that offers stunning views of the Arabian Sea. You can explore the fort and its lighthouse and learn about its history and significance. Then head to Rei Magos Forte, one of the first bastions of the Portuguese rulers against enemy invasion. Finally, you can end your day at Anjuna Beach, which is famous for its hippie culture and trance music parties. Anjuna Beach is a place where you can let loose and have fun with people from all over the world. You can dance to the beats of DJs, watch fire shows, or chill at one of the many cafes and bars that dot the beach. Day 3. On your third day in Goa, you will discover some of the most beautiful and secluded beaches in South Goa. You can start by visiting Palolem Beach, which is one of the most picturesque beaches in Goa. Palolem Beach has a crescent-shaped bay with white sand, turquoise water, and coconut trees. You can enjoy some kayaking, surfing, or boat rides at Palolem Beach, or simply relax in a hammock or a hut. Next, you can head to Agonda Beach, which is another stunning beach that offers peace and tranquility. Agonda Beach is perfect for sunbathing, swimming, or meditating. You can also spot some dolphins or turtles if you are lucky. After Agonda Beach, you can visit Kolva Beach, which is one of the oldest and longest beaches in Goa. Kolva Beach has a lively atmosphere with many shops, restaurants, and pubs along the shore. You can also visit the Our Lady of Mercy Church, which is a famous landmark in Kolva, and the St. John the Baptist Church. You can end your day at Candolim Beach, which is a quiet and charming beach that is ideal for romantic walks or sunsets. Candolim Beach is also known for its fishing culture and handicrafts. You can try some fresh fish at one of the local eateries, buy some souvenirs from the artisans, and watch some unique performances only available in this part of the world. If you still have some time, Then don't miss the Goa Chitra Museum displaying ancient agrarian tools and artifacts. And Santomi Museum showcasing the technology revolution, with vintage musical instruments, typewriters and lamps. Day 4. On your fourth and final day in Goa, you will venture into the hinterland and experience some of Goa's natural wonders and cultural heritage. You will start by visiting the Dudhsagar waterfalls, which are one of the highest and most spectacular waterfalls in India. Dudhsagar waterfalls are located in the Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary, which is a lush green forest that is home to many animals and birds. You can trek to the waterfalls, or take a jeep ride through the jungle. You can also swim in the pool at the base of this grand waterfalls or enjoy a picnic around it and listen to the peaceful sound of the water falling. Next, head to a spice plantation, which is one of Goa's unique attractions. Goa has a rich history of spice trade and cultivation, and you can learn about the different spices and their uses at a spice plantation. You can also enjoy a traditional Goan lunch that is prepared with fresh spices and organic ingredients. After the spice plantation, you can return to your hotel and pack your bags for your departure. We hope you enjoyed this video and we hope to see you soon in Goa. Thank you for watching and safe travels. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content.